So we are here at Frances Slocum State Park. We drove separately from Jim, so we're waiting for him to arrive with the camper. This is our third time being here. The first time we stayed in our second pop-up. The second time was last year when we stayed in this exact site, and now we're here. Okay, we did the frantic setup, everything's ready to go now, and now we're gonna go down and enjoy some walking tacos with my aunt and uncle who are camping with us again. Hey, that was a delicious dinner, and it's still light out, so we've decided we're gonna go fishing. Whoa, don't cast angry. See, they're not even gonna have to weed whack now, you're doing it for them. Doing the weed whacking? Did you make a comfy enough seat yet? Is that better? Now you can fish? Nice! That was a good one. Not catching anything, are we? Come on, good job. Reel it in. Keep going. Get closer, bud. No, you didn't. It just stopped. Reel it in. Look at that. Look at that. You did catch one.
Woo!
What do you think, buddy? Awesome, and we still have our minnow.
Got one.
Alright, see? Yeah. What do you think? Buddy, how does it feel now that you caught a fish?
Good.
You feel good? You feel vindicated?
Yeah. I feel happy because now I know that there are actually pretty big fish.
Yeah. Because we went on our big Walt Disney World RVing vacation in September, our plan for this summer is just to hit local state parks. We also have to do that because in the summer, Jim works on Saturdays, which is happening right now. He's not here now because he had to work this morning, and so he can drive from the state park to work and then meet us back here for lunch. So this year's camping season ended up being pretty serendipitous for our family. Obviously we didn't know the coronavirus would be rampaging through the country in 2020. But in November, what I did was I booked our entire camping season all at once. So like every 3 weeks, I booked a state park for us to camp at, which ended up being really helpful this year because RVing The RV sales are through the roof. Tons of people are camping because most of what they would be doing in the summer is closed. So it works out for us that we have all of our sites booked and we are set up for camping for the rest of the season. So I think I will definitely do that again in this coming November, just book out a bunch of sites. And if something comes up that we can't go, it costs $10 to cancel a state park reservation. So that $10 is worth it to me to have a placeholder on a site, and it makes sure that we get out frequently throughout the summer. Obviously I had some concerns about camping during coronavirus. Obviously we're staying in our own campers, so we don't have to worry about that. We have made some changes. The kids aren't allowed to play on a playground unless there's no other kids there. We have avoided using the restrooms as much as possible. Other than that, camping isn't that different for us. We can still hike, we can still fish. Our plan had been to head to the pool right when it opened, because last year that's what we did without the coronavirus and there was almost nobody there. So what we were going to do was go to the pool and swim until a number of people showed up and then leave. But the weather's not going to cooperate for that anyway, which I find is kind of a relief. So it looks like the rain is letting up a little bit. The kids are in the camper watching the Lego movie. Everything around here is really soaked, so I don't think we'll be doing much for a little while other than just relaxing. Need a 12 or 3?
I won!
Like it?
Do I like it? I love it. Look at that.
I like it.
That's so cute.
That's some jack.
What are you making, buddy? You making a shark?
Mom, can I make something else?
Hold on.
I did it, James! Cool.
Hold on, buddy. Fireworks in your hand.
I see it from the camera.
So after all that rain yesterday, it was really nice to wake up to sunshine and a beautiful breeze. It's about 68 degrees here and sunny, and we're looking forward to the rest of our day. Okay, as usual, we are taking a hike. Last year when we were here, we hiked the Lakeshore Trail to the Frances Slocum Trail. And a couple years ago we were here and we did the Larch Trail. And so we're going to do that one again.
Hi guys, we're camping and right now we're doing a hike. Let's watch the hike.
What does that say?
Just using my
Oh, you're using your
Trail
All Trails app?
app
Yeah. What does it tell you?
that we're on the trail.
Some uphill? Daddy's sharing his water with you. Alright, so we're back to the campground. Alright? Everybody to work. If you're a married couple and you like camping, the best thing you can do is get a truck with a backup camera. It'll save your marriage. Alright,